That is Hagia Sophia. Diyan kami galing. We're going out. Ang problem niya, walang taxi. So we have to take yung tram, no? Ito yung public na transport nila here. Ang taxi kanina, hinatid kami sa Blue Moss na taxi. So this is their mass transport. Yun yung public plaza nila. They have their mga, if you want to buy mga food stalls sa tabi. Puno ng mga turista to dito. Okay. What I observe here in Istanbul, ang dami ng mga ATM. Ayun na, puno. Then they have yung tourism police, high visibility. Let us see here. Ayan, mga ATM din naman nila. Then tourism police. That's this one. So we're just on a walking tour here in Istanbul. Iba din yung dating ng Istanbul, no? Compared with we had sa Prague, Vienna, at saka Budapest. Okay. So ito, mga ganitong type of mga tours na malakas yung tuhod mo, lakad, because you cannot ride, no, vehicles or cars. May kabayan ako dito na kilala. Pagod na sila ng lakad eh. Huh? Tired na. So walking.
Sloping. They're like